Good morning, afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. So, we went to church, now we're over east here. We're gonna go start running the diggers. We got the blue tractor over there in the field already. Aiden is in it. Hopefully he hasn't died yet. Don't see no cars. Cool. Alrighty. Onward. We're about there. My blue tractor's still moving. That's a good thing. The digger out of the ground. Come on. I gotta go find something to wedge up underneath that hitch so we can keep it up. See, I don't think I got anything in here that'll work real well. Dad's calling. Yeah.
Hey, you know that closest deal up on that down there by yourself, don't you?
I figured just finding some way to either hook it up or pin it up or something.
Just jam your pliers, get it up high and wedge your pliers in it.
Oh.
That'll usually hold it.
Okay.
So you can get back in there.
Yeah. Redneck engineering at its finest. Now I need to balance this in there somehow. I can do that little deal. There we go. Okay, let's try it. Well, it didn't work. I just slam this in there. And boom. Done. So, we got her set up. I think for the most part, I got it to where it'll pull it pretty easily at 7.5 mile an hour. It just sails right through. It's plenty hard. I wish we could go a little deeper, but it'll be alright. If it stays hard and dry, this will give it access to go even deeper and dry it up and crack it. So, I think we'll be alright. But, I don't know. Aiden's going good over there. He's just sailing right along. He's probably got... Well, I bet he's every bit of 50, 60 acres down. I just started, so I can do a lot more than he can per hour. I told him to go 6 miles an hour, but he can honestly probably go a little faster, but... So, I'm just going to cruise right along and get some stuff done. Are you okay? You okay? I don't think he's okay. Get out of here. Time to replace you. Oh wait, nope, not yet. Put that there. This there. You can go down there too. Good. Cool. Dad's here. We're gonna put some fuel in this thing quick. And then I don't know what we're gonna do. I just know what I'm gonna do. thank God for auto steer. Sure would be hard to eat and drive. It's also really hard to drink and drive too. Doesn't work out for most people. Don't drink and drive, kids. Use auto steer. It's your friend. And just don't forget to turn. That doesn't end well. I've never done it before, but I can only imagine it doesn't end well. Well, we're still going. I think I got upwards of 40 to 50, maybe 60 acres even done. Aiden's got probably pushing 80, I would hope, by now. He didn't do all of them today, though. He's only done probably maybe the same as I have today, so. Just keep going back and forth. Yeah, my windshield wiper still ain't fixed either. It keeps slowly walking its way across. Then I gotta flip it back. And it does it again. But the digger's working good anyway. You can start, there's some clouds starting to form too from that great big kind of storm system that's been pushing up from the south, that are remnants of that little tropical storm deal or whatever that flooded Texas off the map. Finally making its way up here. I think it's mostly going to stay west of us. We may get some sprinkles, but Dad still has plans to run the Turbo Max and so all kinds of other stuff tomorrow. So we'll just have to see what we get into. Where's the bathroom? Need the little boy's room. Where is it? Well, we might have to scratch the drone flying idea. I just tried to put it up and it said can't take off. You're in a temporary no-fly zone. Okay. I know for a fact that they're in an airport within 20 miles of here, and it's that way. Quite a ways that way. But I do know the president was flying in today, I think, because I'm assuming he's just visiting the refinery and the tank plant, I think, because Lima has the refinery and it's got one of the tank plants in it. They build tanks. So I think he was visiting that today. Oh, I didn't even know he was coming. I just saw it on Snapchat. But I think that's probably part of it, why there's a no-fly zone here. I'm not very happy at the moment because I really want to fly it. But the government says no. And then DJI has it in their GPS, so as soon as the GPS found out where I was, it said, no, you cannot fly. Yeah, I cannot fly my little drone, my wee little drone. I can't go fly it. I cannot go fly it because it's gonna run into the airplane or whatever reason I can't fly my drone. Why do they make a no-fly zone for little drones? Okay, I get it, the big commercial planes and the jets and. Well, sure is a pretty nice night so far. I don't know what they're doing. Aiden's got his blinkers on for some reason, and I don't know what's going on over there. I don't know if I'm even going to finish this. I don't know what they want us to do. I don't care. I'll finish it. There ain't a whole lot left. So, I don't know. But I don't know about you, but I think it's time for some lights. There we go. That's a little better. Well, it didn't rain much last night, so we're going to finish up doing this and then go back to the building, do a couple other little things. So Dad's going to run the green one, I'm going to run blue one. So let's get to work. this is really my first time running this with the digger. And I tell you what, this tractor doesn't have near the guts and the power as that deer. So Dad set Aiden up yesterday at an angle, and I had me going straight. Now we're starting to meet in the middle. Wish I had the drone, but can't fly it. This would be great. Been beat. Just got this last little triangle here, and this is it for this field. Dad did those end rows back there, so me and him are gonna work on the end rows up there real quick. And then we're gonna go back to buildings, I guess. I don't know what we're gonna do. I have to talk to him. I don't like wheel tractors. It's rough. That's my D-track. Now I really kind of want a quad track. That'd be nice too. Replace the 2-track. Oh my god. Well, we brought everything back here, got everything unhooked. Spent the last hour hooking up the Turbo Max, getting it ready to go. So I'm going to bring the blue tractor back home so we can pack. And Dad's going to go run Turbo Max a little bit, get everything figured out that's wrong, and then he's going to come home too. And I got it when we get home, we got to go and do some 4-H stuff. So that's why I got to go. So we're home now. That's going to be it for today. I got to go do some 4-H stuff now. We're here at 6 o'clock, which is here in a little bit. So anyway, thanks you guys for watching. If you like what you saw, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube. You can also follow me on Snapchat at FarmBrothers3, Instagram at Pullman Farms, and I will catch you guys in the next video.